Hey guys, today I got the new cables. It's from USB-C to HDMI. So let's open the box. You see they have one box like this. So we got the box USB-C to HDMI cables. And they will explain how to use it and connect the laptop to all the screens. So okay, let's open that. That order is 3 meters long, and we got the cables. It's one is USB-C, another one is HDMI. So let's open that. So we got this length. So next, let's test that. We connect the USB-C to our laptop. And also we open the we connect this one to the monitor or the TV in our house. In my home, I have the one TV. If you have your monitor, just connect to that. That's okay. And make sure which input you get. For example, in my TV, I have 3 inputs: HDMI 1, 2, 3. Let's choose the HDMI 2. After we plug in, we can open the TV. So let's open that. Get the input. Then we choose HDMI 2. So that is our computers. So we choose one video and put it in the second monitor. So let's put YouTube. And we can click any music we want. And let's see. We can hear that the music is come from the television. So if you have a TV in your house, you can connect it to that and play the video or the movies in your home. Forever seems like a long time, but nothing seems like so you can get your house theaters. I feel like I'm walking Amazon and in November 23, and here is the address. So it's about 3 meters. So it's about $26. It's really fast. So if you want to get the second monitor, if you have the actual TV in your house, you can get that. So if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and click your like. Thank you so much.